This way a little bit more. You may not be ready, but you're fixing to go.
Hey, this ain't easy. You imagine me going to the river?
I'm coming to film. I don't care when you go. I'm coming just to film.
It's pretty deep right here.
Yeah, on that corner it is. Come on up here about 3 or 4 more feet.
Dude, I already know I can tip it easy. Why do I need to tip it again?
Because we don't have it on film.
Yeah, you got it on film, me falling right there.
That was right here. I want to see what it looks like out there.
Dude, it's deep.
It's getting shallower as you float.
Huh?
Right now you can stand up.
Yeah, you say that.
All right, see what happens. See how far you can rock it
I'm scared.
without it going.
I don't want to get wet.